Hi, my Linda Butterworth here with Alliteration Adventure 699. Today's alliteration is about a frog and it has a rather curious history. This poem is attributed to an unknown Norwegian student at a Chicago night school, and it was printed in Jokes and More Jokes in the Chicago Ledger and the Christian Register in 1922. In 1980, this little poem was published as a folk song to be sung as a round. But in 2017, the Mark Twain Prize comedian Bill Murray recited this poem to recipient David Letterman while being dressed as an Elizabethan king. My memories of this poem come from being a part of a children's touring company, and we did this, and it was called What a Wonderful Bird the Frog Are. Are you ready? It's so much fun, but it's short. Here we go. What a wonderful bird the frog are. When he stand, he sit. Almost. When he hop, he fly. Almost. He ain't got no sense hardly. He ain't got no tail hardly either. When he sit. On what he ain't got. Almost. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.